Most people get this wrong when Albert won't send money. Their first reaction is to keep retrying the transfer over and over again. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Repeated attempts usually don't solve the problem and can sometimes make troubleshooting more confusing. In this video, you'll learn the most common reasons why Albert is not sending money in 2026, and the exact steps you can take to fix the issue quickly. Let's start with the fastest fix first. If your transfer isn't going through, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or unstable mobile data can interrupt transfer requests before they're fully processed. Switch networks or reconnect and try again. Next, verify that your Albert app is updated. Outdated versions can sometimes cause bugs, transfer errors, or account syncing issues. Head to your device's app store and install any available updates. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They focus on the app itself and forget to check their linked bank account. Albert relies on connected banking information. If your linked account has been disconnected, restricted, or requires re-verification, transfers may fail. Open your account settings and confirm that your bank connection is active and up to date. For example, John tried sending money for 2 days without success. The issue wasn't Albert at all. His linked bank account required reconnection after a banking security update. Once he reconnected the account, the transfer worked normally. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if your account is connected correctly, transfer delays can still happen due to security reviews. Financial apps often perform automated checks to protect users from fraud and unauthorized transactions. In a minute, I'll show you one of the most overlooked fixes. Check your account notifications and email inbox. Albert may send alerts requesting identity verification or additional account confirmation. If action is required and hasn't been completed, transfers may remain unavailable until verification is finished. That's a quick win, because many users discover the answer is sitting in a notification they never opened. But here's another common issue. Insufficient available funds can prevent transfers from being processed. Make sure the account you're transferring from has enough available balance and that pending transactions aren't reducing your available funds. Now here's where most people get frustrated. They assume the transfer failed permanently, when it may simply be delayed. During busy periods, maintenance windows, or banking network delays, transfers can sometimes take longer than expected. If you've checked your internet connection, updated the app, verified your linked account, reviewed notifications, and confirmed your balance, the next step is contacting Albert support through the app for account-specific assistance. So let's recap. Check your connection, update the app, verify your linked bank account, review any pending verification requests, and confirm available funds before contacting support. Follow those steps and you'll solve the majority of Albert transfer issues. If this video helped you fix your problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.